Hey guys, so for yesterday, for December 19th, we got this guy. Ow! We got this guy. I just hooked myself. Okay, it's day 20. Another spoon. Gold again.